Mastering compound prepositions in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of compound prepositions. They might sound intimidating, but don't worry, we'll take it step by step. Compound prepositions are prepositions that consist of 2 or 3 words. They function just like simple prepositions. They connect and create relationships between words, but they're a little more complex. Let's take a look at a few examples. In addition to, in front of, on behalf of, on top of, and in spite of. To use compound prepositions effectively, you must understand what each word in the phrase signifies. For example, in spite of means despite. So, in a sentence like, in spite of the rain, we went to the park. It means that despite the rain, we decided to go to the park. Another example is, in front of. This compound preposition indicates a position, something being ahead of something else. In the sentence, the bus stop is in front of the bakery. It means the bus stop is located ahead of or before the bakery as you face it. Some compound prepositions are more commonly used than others. Understanding these can help you significantly improve your English fluency. Here are some widely used ones. Due to, because of, example, the game was cancelled due to rain. Instead of, in place of, example, he played chess instead of studying. Outside of, beyond or not within, example, outside of work, I enjoy reading. Prior to, before, example, prior to this event, I had never been to a concert. Practice is key when learning compound prepositions. Try making sentences using these phrases and read as much English material as you can. The more you expose yourself to these compound prepositions, the more naturally you'll be able to use them. That's it for today's lesson on compound prepositions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from using these in your everyday conversations. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!